Hello guys, happy morning. In today's world, even to wish the other person with happiness has become a sin. Because wherever I am going, people are only talking about Corona. The news is spreading like a wildfire. Okay, and everybody is talking about the death which is happening due to Corona. We are not discussing anything which is happy in our lives. And most of the posts which I am saying in current day is that, the people who are dying out of Corona and the people who are getting in the hospital and people who are dying due to Corona infection. So this has become very vulturous. We are doing a vulturous attack to each other by spreading such news. Okay, there are also news wherein people are recovering. There are lakhs of people who are going and admitting into the hospital, and also at the same time, these people are also recovering back. But these news are not spread. We are only spreading the news of people dying and crying due to Corona. So guys, I want you to spread good news also, which is available in the market, wherein people are recovering in Corona. So with regard to this, I want to tell you a story. We have to live a life of ease. If our life is not spent in ease, what is the kind of life we are spending every day, day in and day out? So, guys, please carefully listen to the story because this is very important to understand life in a holistic way. So, what is this story all about? So, there was a chef, okay, a new restaurant was opened and he invited 100 people to attend this hotel opening function. So what happened in that hotel is that there was a beautiful chef who was called from Iran and he was paid very much high salary. And he was preparing a beautiful vegetable biryani of Irani style. And people were all called and everybody was sitting and waiting for this Irani biryani to taste. Okay, and the beautiful flavor was coming up. The smell was very fascinating and it was creating a lot of good smell all around the restaurant. And everybody was hungry and keen to have this nice biryani which is being prepared by the chef who was called from Iran. So now everybody was actually very curious to know how would be the taste of this beautiful veg biryani which has been prepared in this restaurant. So the time came and everybody was served with a beautiful veg biryani over the plates and hot flavor was coming up. The flames were oozing out of that veg biryani and the smell was also very good. And each one was very curious to taste this. So everybody was stopped before serving that into the plate and everything was served into the plate. Everybody was stopped and it was actually a note which was to be given from the chef of the hotel, of the restaurant. The chef of the restaurant told that, there is a 1 grain size stone which has been there in this veg biryani. I have prepared this veg biryani with a lot of caution. I have added the best of the spices. I have added the best of the vegetables. Okay, I have added the imported kind of flavors and now the thing is that I have missed one small grain which would have come in the plate of this biryani. So my request to all is that please eat this biryani with a lot of care. So now, because I don't want you to suffer from this stone which may come into your biryani plates and I don't want you to miss the flavor and enjoy this biryani in the way you want to enjoy. So everybody now was actually feeling very hungry and while this information was passed to these people, the people were quite worried. Now everybody was eating slowly and they were actually checking whether this stone has come into their plate or not. So what happened is that they finished the entire biryani but nobody got any kind of stone in that. So all went to the restaurant chef and asked, why did you tell that there is a stone? The restaurant chef told that, I actually removed all the stones, but I was worried that even one stone I might have missed. So I instructed you, I informed you, I just wanted to pass a message to you that you should not get any infection or you not get any hurt and the stone should not damage you. With these caution in my mind, I have just instructed you back. My intention was to just give you an instruction. But what happened, what people have discussed is nobody ever discussed about the taste of the biryani, nobody ever discussed about the flavor of the biryani and nobody talked about the gravy which was prepared with a lot of efforts. So what happened is that they lost the entire enjoyment of eating the biryani. The ease of eating the biryani has been lost. So it was a lot of difficulty, with a lot of pain they were actually eating this biryani. So what I want to convey you guys is that, we are also living a very definite time. We are also leading a very specific time and we have filled in air balloons and we don't know when this air will go out of our balloon. So till the time we have this life force left in us, don't be afraid of life, Life is meant to live happily. Life is meant to live with ease, with perfect joy and perfection. Life is not to worry all the time about what will happen to you tomorrow, because tomorrow if you die, it is gone, because morning death is happening, and in the afternoon people are throwing away the body. Nobody is worrying about it. So I want you to know that, guys, that life is very limited. Life is very, specific. It is defined. So you guys, what you need to do is enjoy, come out, okay? Follow all the safety measures like putting mask and cleansing your hands with sanitizers. All these things you have to do. But at the same time, live the life with ease, live the life with joy, live the life with that power, because we are only a limited entity in this world. See, I am also enjoying a beautiful rain in this forest, and I am living a life of ease. You also, guys, need to enjoy the life like this and celebrate your life. Make it an eventful journey. Bye, guys. This is Umakant, your life coach. We'll catch up in my next videos. See you once again. Bye.